just you. Lock them in the basement.
Woo! Go Blue! Nice handsome man. Look at them come down the aisle. Alright, there's another cutie. And here comes my favorite one right here. Cam Sackle, my favorite. Julie Bird! DJ is trying to get the scoop right now. What's going on? Okay, here we go. We have some more. Oh, all these STONEHAM girls. I love it with their cloak goggles. We had a half day today, and now we're wondering what's going on. I think your mother knows. They were just talking.
Okay, so all I know is that the boys are going to be really excited, and he said he's not young, but he's not old.
Okay. So right now we're walking down the stairs. Oh my god. We're going into the basement of STONEHAM High School, which is so cool. It's like a dungeon down here. Yeah. Fallout shelter. Like this. Bomb shelter. I love being Spartan. We're getting ready for a meeting. I love being Spartan. Go Blue! We subscribe to this channel. So now we're going into a dungeon with our cloud glasses on. Okay, so we were invited here to STONEHAM High School for a very special surprise for these awesome boys. Okay, so we're still in the basement of the STONEHAM High School and waiting for us to be told to go upstairs to the gym for the STONEHAM High School hockey Spartan team surprise. Can you boys say Julie Bird? Say Julie Bird. Julie Bird. Julie Bird. Julie Bird. There you go.
Everybody's waiting to get into the gym.
The gym! Good stuff, good stuff. What's it? What is there?
Stanley Cup.
It's the Stanley Cup. The Stanley Cup is here. Oh, that is so cool. That is awesome.
I gotta get this.
Alright. Okay, so we're here at the STONEHAM High School Gymnasium, and there's Lord Stanley right there. That is the Stanley Cup, touched by many, many NHL players, and now touched by the STONEHAM Spartan hockey team.
Oh no.
Baby in the cup, baby in the cup. Woo! There it is, NBC News. Right there they are. filming the Stanley Cup in Stoneham High School. Good stuff. Alright. Even mothers have to touch Lord Stanley. Lord Stanley. Have you ever seen the Lord Stanley before?
I have not seen it.
Okay, so she's never seen Lord Stanley.
Wow, this is going to be great. I can't wait to see it.
I'm gonna
I thought
put.
there was a person here.
It's all right. This is good stuff.
This is great stuff.
Okay, let the Stoneham Spartan fun continue. We're just leaving the high school after seeing Lord Stanley. Because I love Stoneham Spartans. Go blue! If you've never heard me say it before, I say this thing is called Go Blue!